What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we are opening up and unboxing the Hot Wheels Celebration box. This box I found at my local Toys R Us up here in Canada. It's actually a pretty good sized box. It's got some Hot Wheels, it's got some track pieces and all different types of goodies inside. So we're gonna open it up and see what it's all about. Just to give you a size comparison here, there's a couple Hot Wheels right there, and you can see this is a pretty good sized box. So let's go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. So we've got some little plastic pieces here. We'll just rip those apart and let's open it up here. All right, so when we open it up, we're greeted on the inside right here by all of that good stuff. So there's 6 cars included. There's some track pieces. There's some stickers and coloring pieces and all that good stuff right there. So that's really cool. We'll grab that right up top right there. Holy, that is a nice little piece of artwork. I guess you can hang that on your wall or do whatever you want with it. There's Shark Cruiser up there, Rip Rod. There we go. All right, we'll go ahead and put that aside and let's grab this right here. This looks to be a little coloring piece right here, so it is. So we've got the little pencil things right there. I wonder if they include your pencils inside of here. I'm not really sure. We'll have to see though, but we can color that in. We've got a HW for Hot Wheels right there, which is really neat. And on the back right here, we've got the little maze, a couple little mazes here, which you can draw and play around with. All right, that's some interesting stuff. We got these things right on top right here, which look to be stickers. So these look to be Hot Wheel stickers. I was thinking maybe they're tattoos, but no, they are stickers. So they're just little Hot Wheel stickers right there. There's some more Hot Wheels logos and stickers and crazy Hot Wheel sticker and a little car right there as well. So some cool stickers to collect. Awesome, awesome. And then we've got the cars inside of here. So let's go ahead and pull out our cars one by one and see which ones we have right here. These look to be a couple of different fantasy cars. So 6 fantasy cars right here. So we've got this one which says police on it right here. And it's got some different interesting stuff on the inside. And let's see if we can see it on the back. Rogue Hog is the name of this one. So Rogue Hog is our police car right here. It's got a nice looking like satin type finish on there, plastic bodied though, but there is our first police one right here. And we'll grab the next one up top right here. And this looks like an interesting one. I love these wheels. These wheels are really, really cool looking for this car. And look at the top right there, the chrome on the inside, and then that colored bubble roof. And this one is named the High Voltage. High Voltage is the name of that one right there, included in this box. And our next one that we have included right here. Ooh, this one. Look at all the crazy colors and stuff on this one right here. Wow, that is crazy. All right, so this one is named What For 2. What For 2. Okay, so what? So 4 engines and 2. I'm not too sure what the 2 means. Is it a 2-seater? No, it looks like a 1-seater. Okay, not too sure why they call it the What For 2, but there we go. We've got the What For 2. And our next one that we have up top right here, this one is pretty neat looking. Looks to be like a really long, big front. And look at the engines in the front of that, or engine, or engines. That is crazy. Big engine on the front of it. It looks like we've got like subwoofers and stuff in the back for speakers as well in the passenger compartment. This one is called... it doesn't say exactly what this one is called. Okay, so if you guys know what this one is called, in the comment section down below, let me know so I can learn what this one is called as well. Awesome, awesome. And then our next one. Oh, that is a crazy design as well. What is this? What is this? I've never seen that before. That is definitely an interesting look to this car. This one is called Clear Speeder. Clear Speeder is the name of this one right here. So clear, I guess it's because it's got like a clear bubble top on here, but it looks like super aerodynamic. How are the doors open on this? There's no doors. What does this whole thing just come off on the top? I have no idea. But look at the back of that one too. That is definitely something different we have not seen before. And we'll grab this one right here. Oh, I like that. That looks super, super sporty. I like the paint job on here. It's a nice matte finish paint job on this one, which looks really, really neat. These wheels look really good. This is a police one as well. So we've got another police, and this one is called the Scupa di Fiego. Scupa di Fiego. All right, there we go. So we've got the Scupa di Fiego right there. Looks like a nice like hypercar type of thing. Very, very interesting. All right, let's go ahead and see what else we have in here. So we've got, looks like a starter piece for the track right here. So we'll go ahead and put that down. We've got a bunch of track pieces right here, which is super, super handy. And this is the high wall track. I'm actually looking to replace my track with all high wall tracking. So this will be a good start to my track. We'll have to use this probably for my 6-lane raceway for the high wall. So we'll put that aside. We've got, looks to be some sort of jump or something right here. You can see on the packaging here, it shows that it's sitting up high. So this would definitely have to go on something. I'm not too sure how that goes up, but we'll take this piece out right here. Ah, there we go. So that looks to be a jump piece. This is probably the ramp which it lands back onto. So we can connect it with 2 track pieces right here. We've got the connector pieces right here. So we can use those nice connectors right there to connect the track piece. And then this looks to be the part that holds up this right here. So let's go ahead and put that together right there. Does that go that way or is it this way? All right, there it is. It's this way. All right, so that's the track piece. That's the jump. And you know what? Let's grab a piece of track right here and put it completely together. And we'll put this track piece right there together. And then this one together. Come on, right there. There we go. All right, we'll put that one in right there. And then we've got the jump. All right, so my camera's not wide enough to show you the whole thing. So we'll put a car in right here. We'll put here, this is probably the best car that I think in this one. So we'll use this car and I'll put it in the ending right here and we'll see if we can jump it right over here. So let's go ahead and see if this will jump, and I'll put my hand right here to stop it so that it doesn't go too far. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Okay, that went way farther than that's probably like 15 feet away from me. It just zoomed across my room. Okay, that's pretty crazy. Pretty fun. You guys can have a lot of fun with this track. I'll show you how this piece little thing works right here. So you pull that back right there. You put the car in, and then there's a little button that you would press, and I'll press it right here. There we go. So I shot it. I put my hand there to stop it. But very cool. So that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. So that's cool that they included that. Is there anything else included in here? No, we've got our packaging right here. And then look at the inside of this box, though. How cool is that for packaging inside of this box? Look at all the different cars and stuff that are included in here. Looks to be mostly just fantasy cars that they have pictured, but that's a really, really cool packaging and box right here. And actually move my camera back up a little bit right here, and I'll show you the back side of this box as well. So it does specify some of the things that are included, but I didn't want to show you guys first. I thought I would show you the inside of this box so you can set up the track just like that if you want to. We got the 6 cars included and all of that good stuff. But super, super cool, guys. Definitely a great Christmas gift. If you live in Canada and there's a Toys R Us near you, then definitely go pick up the Hot Wheels Celebration box. Great Christmas gift. Super, super fun stuff. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.